Right, we added a plant. You can see the flowers there, they're kind of drooping. I went and added that just to kind of see what would happen. This morning, when the sun was low, it was looking pretty nice and sprightly. But it got a little warm, and there was a lot of direct sunlight. But I don't feel too bad because the center flower was blooming nice and big. And here's what the compatriots in the dirt that I took it from are looking like. So a little bit better than the water-based or aquaponics-based flower, but still not great. I don't know. As you can see, the garlic there is a little bit on the light colored side, so there might be a small nutrient deficiency. I do know that there is a pH imbalance, but we'll see what we can do with that. But the thing that I'm most excited about is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but you see that green right there? There you go. Yeah. So that little green leaf right there is something that I'm pretty excited about. That is a seed that I planted just a couple days ago. That when I was trying to get things to sprout in the windowsill, it took 10 days before it would do anything. That seed has been only been in this system for about 4 days, and I'm already seeing green growing. Now, I did not let it sprout or anything in the windowsill. I didn't give it any nutrient, no water, no nothing. I just kind of brought it over to the system. I dug a little hole in the rock and I dropped it in. So I'm actually pretty happy with that. I think that, to me, is an indication of exactly how nutrient rich and how productive the system could be. So I think my proof of concept is actually working pretty well. The seeds that I had in the windowsill, I watered them daily or every other day, if nothing else. And the best reaction I had was when I watered them with water from this system, which was nutrient rich, versus what tap water would do. So anyway, I'm curious to what that's going to look like over the next week or two. And as you can see, there's my fish. And yeah, so please just tune in and let's see how this works. And you can also watch, and as this system grows, the next addition is a full-size 55-gallon fish tank with 2-inch outlet and 1-inch inlet. So we will get to that over the next week or so. Anyway, thank you very much and enjoy your day. Bye.